In 2025, the Settlemate app, also known as Settlemate, Class Actions, claims to help users discover and claim money from class action lawsuits they may be eligible for. It promotes itself as an AI-powered tool with a unique value proposition, find legal settlements effortlessly, and even offers a money-back guarantee if users don't recover more than their subscription cost within a year. However, actual user reviews paint a less promising picture. Many users report that the app simply redirects them to external websites, most of which are already free to access. Others claim that many of the settlements listed were either expired or not accepting new claims. Some users even experience technical issues such as being unable to move past setup screens despite having paid for a full year subscription. On trust analysis sites like ScamAdvisor, Settlemate scores moderately with a 66% trust score, and while it isn't flagged as an outright scam, its recent domain registration and inconsistent performance raise concerns. Several users also stated that the advertised refund policy was difficult to redeem, with refund requests being denied despite seemingly meeting the stated criteria. While some people appreciate the app for bringing attention to lesser-known settlements, the majority find it underwhelming and unreliable. Overall, Settlemate may not be a scam in the traditional sense, but its usefulness and trustworthiness are questionable, making it a risky choice for anyone hoping to actually recover meaningful compensation.